Prop trading firms offer a multitude of programs. Are you wondering which one is the best? The challenges start from theoretically the simplest, single phase, up to even 3-phase. In this video, we will elaborate on various options to help you untangle the maze of possibilities and find the path that best suits your trading aspirations. Join us, discover, and choose wisely. I invite you to our analysis. We will discuss different types of challenges based on one of the companies certified by fxprop, namely the Funded Trader Program. We chose it because it has a wide range of different challenges. On the main page, we have 4 programs to choose from: Standard Challenge, Royal Challenge, Rapid Challenge, and Night Challenge. The characteristics of these programs will allow us to understand their differences. A more detailed explanation is available in the next video, where we discuss the most frequently chosen program in detail. It is also worth remembering that the discussed challenges should help you better understand the whole prop trading market. The rules in companies are changing dynamically, so remember to check the current rules on the prop firm's website before potentially buying a challenge. Let's start with the Standard Challenge. The TFTP company provides this program first, and we have 2 types of standard accounts: Standard Regular Account and Standard Swing Account. Their difference is that on a Standard Swing, our leverage is reduced from 1 to 200 to 1 to 60, but we can hold our positions over the weekend without restrictions and trade during news. So, if our type of strategy requires it, this is a great solution. However, the most popular option is the Standard Regular Account with 1 to 200 leverage. This type of program is available in almost every company. Of course, there are some differences, but the general idea of this program remains the same. As part of this program, we have 2 stages to go through to receive a funded account. In the first stage, we must achieve a profit target of 10%, while not losing more than 10% of the starting account balance. So the proportions are 1-to-1. It is also important that our daily loss cannot exceed 5% of the account. This is the so-called daily drawdown. In TFTP, the values of the daily maximum loss and overall loss can be reduced to -12% overall drawdown and -6% daily drawdown, which simplifies the challenge but is additionally payable. The cost of such an upgrade is about 10% of the price. Another important issue is that in this type of challenge we cannot use EA, unless again we pay extra, as this is optional. The minimum number of trading days in this challenge is 3 days. If we manage to complete the first phase, the next stage rules concerning the profit target become less rigorous. The profit target is only 5% when the rest of the rules remain the same as in the first stage. After this phase, we will receive a funded account. Now we can generate real profits. The rules remain the same as in stage 2. We still have to adhere to the daily and overall drawdown regime. However, we do not have a profit target limit. Therefore, at this stage, we can trade freely and with reduced risk without pressure. The first withdrawal can be made 30 days from the date of the first trade. Here is a general outline of the Standard Challenge program. Let's now move on to the next possibility, the Royal Challenge. I discuss it second for a reason, as it is quite similar to the Standard Challenge. The difference, certainly, is that in the Royal Challenge, we currently cannot purchase extras, increasing the maximum drawdown. But our profit target in phase 1 is 8%, not 10%. We can trade during news. We can hold our trades over the weekend. Our leverage is still high and is still 1 to 200. And all this at the basic price without any extras. So if your trading focuses on automated solutions, this type of challenge should interest you. The Rapid Challenge option, on the other hand, awaits the most impatient. As the name suggests, Rapid Challenge aims to enable the trader to move from phase to phase faster and withdraw funds more quickly. Of course, this happens at the cost of stricter rules. In this case, in the first stage, we need to earn only 8% profit, while the daily loss is 5% and the total loss is 8%. Additionally, we do not have a limit on the minimum number of trading days, so we can use aggressive strategies. We do not have a minimum number of days, but we do have a maximum. In the first stage, our time to complete the challenge is 35 days. When it comes to news and weekend position holding, it depends on whether we choose the regular or standard type. In regular, we can't. In swing, we can. The use of EA is, however, prohibited in both versions. In the second stage, as with the standard challenge, the same rules apply as in the first stage, but the profit target is lowered, and here too it is only 5%, and the maximum number of trading days is extended to 60. Upon receiving the funded account, the drawdowns are the same as in the first and second stages. The significant difference in this case is that the first payout can be requested after just 14 days from the first trade. The rapid challenge works well with aggressive run strategies and the desire for a quick challenge transition. Otherwise, the remaining options seem like a more sensible choice. Let's now move on to the fourth possibility, namely the night challenge. This is a unique offer in prop trading. It consists of only one stage to get a funded account, not two like the previous ones. When choosing this option, we have no trading time limits, and we also do not have a minimum number of days to complete the challenge, like in the case of the rapid challenge. Our leverage is 1 to 30. The profit target is 10%. The maximum total loss is 6%, and the maximum daily loss is 3%. However, in this case, the drawdown works differently and is definitely the biggest difficulty when undertaking this type of challenge. It is counted from the highest account balance. The best way to describe this is through examples. If you start with an account worth $100,000, your maximum total loss is 6%, or $6,000. This means that your account balance should not fall below $94,000, otherwise you violate the rules. Here, everything is clear. But if your account balance, or equity, even momentarily rises to say $108,000, your new minimum balance after drawdown is 6%, calculated not from $100,000 as is constantly the case with other challenges, but from the new highest balance. So after reaching such a threshold, it will be 108,000 times 0.06, which gives 6,480. 108,000 minus 6,480 gives us 101,520. This means that if you had equity on your account, even for a moment, at the level of 108,000, your maximum drawdown is no longer 94,000, but 101,520. If you manage to meet these somewhat complicated rules, you'll receive a funded account with the right to withdraw after just 7 days, but the drawdown rules on funded accounts remain unchanged. In summary, prop trading firms offer a variety of challenges that cater to the unique needs and strategies of traders. Whether you prefer the traditional approach of the standard challenge, the royal challenge geared towards automated trading, the rapid challenge if you're looking for quick results in, or the unique one-step night challenge, you have a wide range of options to choose from. Remember, however, that each challenge has its own requirements and rules that must be adhered to. Always check the latest information and regulations on company websites. After all, the choice is yours. As part of fxprop, we have also created a challenge comparer, which you can find on the fxprop.com website and in the link under the video, where you can compare challenges and companies in detail.